Regardless of whether or not you're a beginner with CPA marketing or you're an old-time CPA marketer, you can use this strategy today and utilize that to start earning money so far you're consistent with this strategy. And I'm going to walk you through this right there step by step, so stick on with me as we dive right into the strategy of today. So the first thing which you want to get done right now is to make sure you're registered for a CPA marketing platform which you could get CPA marketing offers to promote. And I'm going to be utilizing this platform, CPA Grip. If you don't have an account, then go on to registering for an account, then go on to logging into your account right there. Once you're using CPA Grip, you want to come onto this section that says offer tools. A drop down list will be shown to you. Select my offers and you'll be brought to a page similar to this. Now you want to just simply go on to filtering your offers to get offers from this particular demographic called the United States. Set for United States, select that particular demographic, and you want to come right here, click on payout to filter your offers based on payout. I'll go on to selecting a cool sweepstake offer like a giveaway offer, and this is an example of one right now. This offer actually gives out $4,500 cash as giveaway right now to leads. And you can see right there that the people actually need to come from the United States, or my leads need to come from the United States. They need to be using an Apple iOS device to submit an email address or zip code using this my unique affiliate link while going through a simple survey. And if they do that, for each person that does that, I'm going to get paid this particular amount. So imagine 100 people are doing that. You multiply this price by 100, and that's what I'm going to be making right there. But not all those people are actually going to win this cash prize right there, because it's just going to be a lucky person that's going to win this right now. So you just want to just simply go on to copying the link to the offer, and we're going to move on to the next step. But before we do that, guys, if you're new to my channel, OJ Marketing, I make videos on some cool ways to make money online. If you like such kind of content, you can scroll through the channel. There are a lot of cool strategies to help you out right there. You could also hit the like button to the video you're watching right now, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all so as to always get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos to help you boost your income online. With that being said, let's continue into the strategy of today. So after copying the link right now to this CPA marketing offer, you then want to just simply go on to creating a simple landing page, of which you could use platforms like Google Sites, Systemy.io, Breezy.cloud, or any landing page builder site of your choice. Once you've created a landing page, and if you're finding it difficult creating a landing page, check out my channel right here, OJ Marketing. You want to just simply come right now to this section, click on this search icon, and just simply go on to type in landing page. If you type in landing page right now and click on enter, it's going to show you some cool videos right there that are actually tutorial videos I created to show you how to easily create a simple landing page on some cool platforms right there like Google Sites, Breezy.io, Webflow, Systemy.io, and some other cool platforms right there. Check out such videos, create cool and amazing landing pages right now. So once your landing page has been created and linked to that CPA marketing offer, you then want to just simply come onto this platform called the QR-code-generator.com. Now this platform actually helps us convert any link into a QR code. So you want to just simply paste in the link to your landing page or the link to your CPA marketing offer, and that's automatically going to be converted into a QR code right here, of which if somebody do go on to scanning the code, it's going to link them to that offer right now. So once you do that, you could easily go on to selecting a frame for that. Once you've selected a frame, you could just simply go on to downloading the image right here via clicking on the download icon. Now once you've downloaded that, the next thing which you want to do is to create a cool promotional image you want to just simply utilize to promote such offer right there. And you can use platforms like canva.com. So once you come onto Canva, click on this custom size right now, and you want to put in these dimensions right here, such as the height and the width, and select these pixels right now. So once that has been done, click on create design, of which that is going to load up and take you to a cool page where you can actually go on to creating a simple design right now. So once you've created a design, I'm just going to go back to that CPA marketing offer, right click on this particular image, click on save image as, and make sure you do save the image on your device. Once the image has been saved on your device, head back to that cool platform right now, which is called Canva right now, and you just want to go on to changing the color of the background page. You can change this to a color as cool as this. Go on to this upload section, click on upload files and select that QR code and also that image from CPA marketing or CPA grade platform. So right now both of them has already been uploaded on this platform right now. Click on this. I'm just going to drag this to this section right here, as you can see, and I'm just going to drag this to the bottom. I'm going to do the same thing for the QR code. Drag this right now from this section to actually fit in, and I'm just going to drag that right here to this section, as you can actually do see right now. Maybe I'm just going to increase the size of this also, and also this right now. As you can see, this actually looks quite okay right now. Next, you want to just simply add in a very cool text. Now for that text right there, I'm just going to type in something like this, which says can't code for a chance to win cash prize. So I'm just going to make sure I go on to changing the color right now to something quite cool. I can change this right there to, let me say, white. If I change this to white, I can go on to adding a little effect. By coming onto the effect, maybe I could select outline, go on to changing the color of the outline right now to something quite better. Maybe I can actually change this to something like red, or you may want to just simply select something quite cool. I can select this blue right now. This actually looks quite okay. Now once this is done, you can actually see how the image goes on to looking like. Once you're done, click on share, and you could just simply download the image on your device by clicking on download option. Now once the image has been downloaded, the next thing which you want to do is to go on to promoting the image on this platform right here called imgod.com. This is an amazing platform that gets most of its traffic from the United States demographic. And how do we know about that is that analyzing the platform based on similar web statistics, you'll be able to see the amount of traffic it got in the last 28 days right now, and that's about 129 million visits in the last 28 days. That's a huge amount of traffic which you can also go on to utilizing to promote your CPA marketing offers. Now scrolling down to the bottom section, you can see the country that do visit the website the most right now, which is actually the United States, that has 32.76% of this website traffic, Japan with 9.3%, Canada with 4.97%, and the United States or United Kingdom with 4.6%, Taiwan with 4.02%, and other countries do share the remaining 44% right there. So this is a very cool way to promote your offer, because if we are promoting a United States offer, we have better chances that the people that are going to see our offers are mostly the United States demographic. So you want to just simply head onto the platform right now called imgod.com, sign up to the platform, and you could sign up for free. Go on to clicking on new post, and you could just simply select choose photo. Now you want to select that photo you already designed right there, and the photo will be uploaded on the platform, as you can see right now. As you can see, if I do hover around the QR code, it's going to just simply say copy link. Now for anybody that actually do go on to scanning that QR code, it's going to take them to my URL file locker or that CPA marketing offer for them to actually complete. And if they do that, guys, I'm just simply going to make some cool affiliate commission. So all you need to do right now is to just simply give this a very cool title, a cool description, and you can actually go on to adding tags right here. And tags should actually include stuff like gifts. Maybe you do add in something like gifts. Maybe you could add more tags right here. Maybe I'm just going to put in something like gifts. And if I do put in something like this, I can put in something like giveaway. So you want to just simply add a lot of cool tags, gifts, giveaways, something that's actually related to a lot of people that can easily make sure that this image gets to a lot of individuals on this platform right now. Make sure you don't go on to add in some kind of trending tags to do so. And if you do so right now, you just want to go on to publishing this particular video and posting that to the community. And this is a cool strategy that you want to just simply stick on with and continue and be consistent with the strategy. Post each and every or promote offers every single day right now. You can actually promote 2 to 3 offers every single day, and with that, guys, you can actually go on to making some cool cash with this particular strategy. And just to remind you guys, this is not a get rich quick scheme. You just need to be consistent with this strategy, and with that you can start making some cool cash. Now if the video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button to the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel OJ Marketing, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.